Hello, Dog Bedsit Blogger here, and well, the other day I made a video announcing 24 in 24 part 3, and I also tacked on a bit of a competition to win the last jar of Gimpy's Dark Matter Maruga Marmalade. And it was a sound competition. Guess the sound. And here's the little video with a bit of sound. So, it got people thinking, minds furiously flexing and bulbing and like that. And I actually have 2 correct answers, which is a little embarrassing. I wasn't expecting 2 correct answers. And I suppose you want to know what the sound is. And I have recreated making the sound in the same environment. Okay, over to the recreation chamber. Yeah, it was a salad dryer, lettuce spinner, a spinny roundy thing for putting your salad in. That's yeah, quite good. I had quite a lot of people answering the question, and 2 people got it right. I had 1 person on Darth Naga's Fun House of Pain. He was the first person to get it right, and his name is Dan. So Dan, you're the man, Dan. You're gonna win. I'm gonna post this to you, and you can taste Gimpy's Dark Matter. Never do that on the first date. How rude. Anyway, and then we had on the actual video, Mr Friz. I always get it wrong. Frizz. You know who you are. He's a chili reviewer and he's a top round, all round nice guy. And I was thinking, because he was second, but I was thinking what I can do. I've only got 1 jar of this. This is the last jar. It was my favourite batch as well, so you're jolly lucky. What I was thinking, Mr Friz does chili reviews, and I was thinking, what can I give him? What can I give him that is sort of like, unique as my marmalade? He's tried a batch of my marmalade, but he hasn't tried that one. And I was thinking, what can I do? And I thought, you know what I can do? I could make him an animated opening sequence for his review videos. So I'll be contacting you, Pete, about that, and getting some bits off you, and I will make you an animated opening sequence. You don't have to use it if you don't like it. It'll be fun doing it. It'll be a good experiment for me. So yeah, there you go. That was the competition results. How exciting. And that went very well. So of course, look down below to find the event page for the 24 in 24 3, and give me some stimulus ideas. It's looking like I've got lots of stimulus ideas, and they're looking a bit bonkers. It's probably one of the most abstract 24 in 24s I've ever done. So look forward to that. Bye bye.